Greetings, Josh Uhas, Senior Account Manager, Graco Incorporated. I'm excited to be here today to present to you a new lineup of SaniSpray equipment from Graco. These products are proudly made in the United States of America, right here in Minnesota. We have a new lineup that caters to the need for disinfecting spray equipment. Let's take a quick look at all of the products that we have to offer. Starting with the handheld sprayers. We have two versions, basically of the same thing. There's a corded version. This is called our HP 20. You need extension cords, obviously, to run with this and an outlet. It runs off of a 42-ounce container. You add your disinfectant to this. It is a very fast rate of application, much faster than a traditional spray bottle or a pump up. The nice thing about this, it's very easy to set up and it's very easy to clean up. You also get a convenient bag that you can carry it around, and you can carry around the extra accessories that it comes with. If the corded version isn't your cup of tea, you can move on to what I think is our best, is the cordless version. You'll note that we've partnered with DeWalt. It comes with a 20-volt lithium-ion battery. You get two of them, and a recharger. The thinking is use one while you recharge the other. A few other things that are nice about this: you get a nice 15-inch tip extension. This is real handy to reach into tough to reach areas, or if you're not real tall, you can extend your reach with it. Either way, you can't go wrong. These are recommended up to about 15 gallons weekly. If you want to put your disinfectant on faster and more efficiently, I highly recommend you take a look at these. Now, if your production needs are a little greater, you can graduate into the HP 65. What's nice about this tool, you have a more traditional-like airless spray gun. Ergonomically, it's going to be a little more comfortable than the handhelds. The thing that's nice about this is it comes with 50 foot of hose, but you could easily add up to 300 foot of hose here. If you envision yourself working in a larger room, doing a lot of tables, you're going to be working with more volume, this is a nice way to go. It's recommended for up to about 50 gallons of disinfectant. Now, one thing too, this is available on all of these. You get our green handled LP tips. LP is for low pressure. All of these hold up to 1,000 PSI. You don't need more than that. When you find the right tip, you're going to have three different sizes from which to choose. You can achieve a fine, a medium, or a coarse application with your disinfectant. So you're going to have a nice wide range of tips to work with to get it just right. Now, if you find yourself in a situation where you need even higher production, you can look at the HP 130. This model is recommended up to 100 gallons a week. That's a lot of disinfectants. This model comes with two guns, and these guns, just like on the HP 65, with those two guns, you'll have 50 foot of hose that you're working with. Again, you can add more length of hose. I envision somebody who's spraying in an arena, somebody who's spraying out at a ball field. You don't have to do those kinds of things, but you have the ability to do that. If you'd like to learn more information about our SaniSpray product line, please reach out to a local distributor. They'll be happy to help you out, or you can start to search on social media. There's a lot of information, a lot of helpful videos. I appreciate your time.